Okay, hello guys. Good morning. Welcome to our live trading session for today. Okay, so on this session, as usual, I'll be analyzing the market and I'll be giving out. All right, so I'll be giving out signals when I get a good entry opportunity. Okay. All right, so let's dive into the forex market. Let's see what's going on today. All right. All right. So we are currently on GBP JPY. Okay. This is the Great British Pounds against the Japanese yen. And as you can see from here, we had a breakout of the resistance zone. Let's go to the higher time frame so you can see this clearly. All right. So we had a breakout of a resistance zone from this point. You see, all this whole area is a breakout of the resistance point. And the market came down, pulled down to this level, made a retest. Okay, made a retest, and now the market is moving bullish, right? So, guys, I have an important news, a good update for you all. I know most of you guys that follow my analysis don't have a clue of what we're doing here, right? I know how hard it is, and that is why I've decided to bring back the beginner session. All right. So the beginner session will be a beginner-friendly uh, training session, right? So it will be based on how to analyze the market and how to interpret signals, right? So we're starting that next week, Tuesday, right? So guys, make sure to join the live stream because I promise you it's going to be beginner friendly, and the comment section will also be open. If you have any question, you can type out your question there, and I'll make sure to attend to it and give you an appropriate answer. All right. So guys, and don't forget to fund on my live stream. Remember, if you fund on this live stream, you'll be eligible to join my premium group. Okay. So I have a premium group where I give signals, market analysis, and market reports. And I also update my premium members when there's a news event that is about to happen. Okay. So to join, all you have to do is just fund the account on this live stream. And to do that, you see that banner where deposit with benefits is written on. Just click on the banner. When you click on the banner, it will take you to the deposit page. When you get to the deposit page, if you deposit $10 into your trading account, you'll be qualified to join my premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit up to $15, you'll be qualified to join my premium group for 1 month. And if you deposit up to $200, you'll be qualified to join the premium group for 1 month. And you also get a one-on-one live trading session. All right, a private session. Okay, so guys, let's utilize the opportunity here. And please note, if you follow my live stream, you are not paying for all the benefits you get to enjoy. Okay, so everything is free. When you fund, the money is going into your trading wallet, it's going into your trading account, right? So you'll be able, is your normal funding method, but you have to click on the banner. You have to use that banner in my live on my live stream. You have to click on the banner. It will take you to the deposit page. All right. So that is the only way I'll be able to filter out, uh, you know, who is funding to join my premium group and who isn't. Okay. So guys, let's continue with our analysis on GBPJPY. So we are currently on the 2-hour time frame, and as you can see, on the 2-hour time frame, the market has also broken out of this level. Okay, so here we have a trend line, and the trend line had previously rejected from 2 points of interest. We have one here, we have another one here, and then the third time, retailers were expecting the market to trade to the downside. The market rejected a bit, went back, breaking the level, and then giving us a retest around this level, okay, around this zone. So this retest now, this is a 2-hour retest. Okay, this looks like, okay, so we can call this a 2-hour retest. This is a lower time frame retest actually. So you see, we can see the retest both on the 30 minutes time frame. Okay, so this is a lower time frame retest. This market is still going to go up to at least this level, right? It's going to come to at least this level because the higher time frame is also going to make their retest. So the retest we have here right now is the lower time frame retest. Okay, so we are expecting the market to move up to this level, create a rejection or a reversal candle formation, and then reverse to the downside. Okay, something like this. So this would be the big retest. And then the market will continue to go bullish. Okay, so how do I know the market will continue to go bullish this way here? On the daily time frame, let me take you to the daily time frame. So you see, on the daily time frame, the market is currently on a bullish trend. Okay, and a new high was created here. So right now, what is happening here is the high is the high made a pullback. Okay, the new high made a pullback to a support zone. Okay, when we have a resistance zone and the market breaks above the resistance zone, the resistance zone turns to a support zone. Okay, and the market have to come back, go back to the freshly broken resistance turn support. Okay, the market has to go back there, retest the level before it continues its bullish movement. Okay, and that was exactly what happened on the 1-hour daily time frame of GBPJPY. So you see, this retest you are seeing here right now is a daily pullback. Okay, so this is a daily pullback, and now I think the pullback is over, and the market is just going to continue to go bullish. So if I were to take this trade now, my entry will be here, my take profit will be right here, just before the other block here. Okay, we have another block here. So before the other block, and then my stop loss will just be right here. Okay, yeah, this is not much, but opportunity is opportunity. Okay, and this is the 1-hour time frame. All right, opportunity is opportunity. We don't want to miss any. Okay. So if this market, you know, go bullish as predicted, this is going to give us a lot of profit. Okay, because the analysis was made from the 1 hour time frame, which is a higher time frame. Okay. All right. So uh, all right. So this is the analysis on GBP JPY. Okay. All right. So this is a good entry point. This is a good level, rather, but we don't have a stable entry point for now because what we currently have here, looks like a rejection from this level. Okay, looks like a rejection from this level. So we have a level here. Okay, we have a level, and this is a resistance level. Yeah, it's a minor resistance level, but uh, you need to pay attention to levels. Okay, whether minor or major, you need to pay attention to the level because a minor level can turn to a major level. Yes. So we're just going to give this time and see if we are going to get a good rejection from this level. So what I want to see here is I want the market to close above this level. Okay, I want this current candle to close above this level. And when that happens, my stop loss will be reduced to this point. Okay, my stop loss, I'm going to reduce my stop loss to this level because whatever will make the market to go down below this level again, that means the market is changing character. Okay, it's reversing. So if the market, once this market goes above this level, it means the market is going to continue to move bullish. All right. So guys, let's just be patient with the analysis. Let's wait for a proper confirmation before we open position. All right. So that is the analysis on GBP JPY. All right. And as I've said, we can't scalp it right now because we have a minor level around this zone. Okay. All right. Okay, let's analyze which other pair should we analyze? Okay, let's analyze GBP USD. The GBP USD, the Great British Pounds against the United States dollar, is also a very good pair. Okay, if you know how to analyze the market, I'm telling you, this pair can make you rich. So let's see what's going on GBP USD. Okay, it's a very popular instrument and uh, large percent large percentage of worldwide forex traders love to trade this instrument. So let's analyze it and see the direction the market is heading towards. So this is the 4 hour time frame of GBP USD. I don't want us to go uh, further back. I think this is okay for our analysis. This is okay for our analysis. We can do with whatever we get here. Okay, and as you can see, obviously the market is on downtrend. Okay, the market is heading the bearish direction. Okay, so here you see we have the uh, trend line channel. So we have the upper trend line, and then we have the lower trend line, and then here we have um, so let's use this as our high. Let's start our analysis from here to this point and see why the market is currently moving bearish, right? So from here we have a high, we have a low. Let me just indicate that with this point. We have this high, we have this low, another high, a low, and then a new high. Yeah. So after this high was created, you see the market kept going bearish. Pull back to this level and then rejected again from this area where we have an order block. Okay, so this is a valid order block because we have the order block and we have the fair value gap right below it. Okay, so the market rejected from the order block and then sold down to this level. See, the market tried to make another pullback, but it keeps failing around this level. So we have uh, on this bearish move, we have areas. Okay, so we have fair value gap zones. We have fair value gap zones, and as you can see, the market also rejected from the fair value gap. So the reason why this market didn't reject from this level, all right. So this is a secret, and I'm not going to share this out. If you want to get this, fund your account on my live stream. Okay, fund at least $200. I'm telling you, if you get this knowledge, if I share this knowledge with you, this fund your account with at least $200, right? Fund your account on my live stream. All you need is your fund, your personal trading account. Okay, I'm not even asking you to pay, right? You're not paying to get your trading account. Just the normal way you fund your trading account to open position. You're going to be added to the premium group, and then you also have as ejected from this point, from this zone. That's how we got this low here. All right. So the next thing to look out for is from this high, do we have any level where we have at any point where we have a fair value gap or another block? Yes, we have a fair value gap here, and then we have the other block just right above it. Okay, so this is a valid order block, and this is a valid fair value gap. All right, but the market didn't get to the fair value, the other block, reversed from the fair value gap instead. Okay, which is still cool, and that is how we got this current price movement. Okay, and you see the current price movement also respected this small trend line here after the breakout, you see the market respected this level, pull back to the trend line, and then continue the bearish move. So now let's go down to the lower time frame. Yes, I want to show you guys something. Let's go down to the lower time frame. Let's go down to, let's say, the 30 minutes. No, let's use the 1 hour. Let's use the 1 hour instead. So on the 1 hour time frame, we want to see areas where the market has made rejections from. So the market rejected, all right, this level. Yeah, I think we have another block here on the lower time frame. That was how that was what pushed the market downwards from this level. And then you see a structure was broken from this point. So from this price point, this structure got broken. And after the structure got broken, the market made another move towards the other block here. Okay. All right. And then now that we have this, pullback, which is also another block here, I think the market is going to come back to this level. All right, here where we have this other block. Okay, we have multiple other block zones actually. We have areas where the market has rejected from. Okay, let's go down to the 30 minutes time frame now. Okay, I want us to be sure before we move ahead. All right, so you see we have the fair value gap here, we have the first fair value gap, and then we also have another fair value gap here. Yes, so I think even if the market rejects from these minor zones for now, the market is still going to pull back to this point. Okay, the market is still going to make a huge pullback. Okay, it's going to make a huge pullback to that point. Yes. So this is what I expect the market to do. 50% breakdown, retest, and then continue to go bearish. Yes. So this is my analysis on GBP USD. Right. This is the move I expect GBP USD to make. All right, so we have analysis on GBP USD, right? Okay, so let's continue to make more analysis. We don't have any entry opportunity for now. All right, let's analyze USDCAD. Okay. So we have analysis on GBP USD already. Now we are on USD CAD 4-hour time frame. Okay. And from the 4-hour time frame, we can confirm that the market is bullish. Okay. The trend is on a strong bullish direction. Okay. So after the break of structure from this point, see, we got a break of structure here. The market broke above this level. And after the break of structure here, the market came down, to mitigate our fair value gap, the fair value gap we have here. And you see the market went straight into the 50% of the fair value gap, right? And since then, the market has been trending bullish. And this is the 4-hour time frame, guys. All right. So now something has happened here. Okay. So while the market was heading towards, this level, remember what I said about trap zones? Yeah. Yeah. So I said when the market is about to create a liquidity or to purge liquidity, there's always a trap zone, and that trap zone is called inducement. Okay, they are called the inducement levels. So we have our inducement level here, and what usually happens on this kind of level is the retail traders will believe that the market is going to buy from this point. Okay, because we have a zone here. So their thought is the market will start buying immediately it got inside this level. Yeah, the market actually bought for some times. So for those that got out of the market before the market got to this level, yeah, they would have run away with their profit. But for those that didn't, go out of the market, their stop loss would probably be around this area. Okay, and you see how the market came back down to the level, take out stop losses, and then continue to go bullish. Okay, so this is an inducement level. It's also a liquidity level. Okay, it's also a level where liquidity was purged. So we have the liquidity zone. Okay, so now we can we can drop down to the lower time frame to see what happened after the liquidity was purged around that level. Okay, so after the liquidity purge, we have this zone right here. Okay. So we have this, which is change of character. All right, so here we have a change of character, and you can see how the market made a move back uh, to the fair value gap here, right? So it's very important that you start your analysis from the root. Okay, start your analysis from the root if you want to get a proper entry. All right. So if you want to be sure this is the direction the market is going, you have to start your analysis from the root. Okay. All right. So um, the bullish trend started from here. Okay, this trend, see, it started from here after getting into the 50%. In fact, it broke below the 50% level of the fair value gap. See, almost at this level where we have our other block. Okay, I think from the lower time frame, might probably have another block there. Okay, there's no other block. I think another block actually of the market. So on the 15 minutes time frame, this is where the fair value gap started from. Yeah. All right. So it got rejected from the fair value gap, and then started to make bullish moves. Okay. So we are back to the 1 hour time frame, USDC AD. And as I was saying earlier, you see how the market rejected from this level. Okay. So this is the end of our fair value gap. The market, chose to reject from the end of the fair value gap, and then started making these bullish moves. So now uh, let's analyze further. Let's see where the market is going to, drop down to uh, before it continues its bullish trend. Okay, so I have an area here. So this is a fair value gap. I didn't just come up with this level. Okay, this is a fair value gap zone. Okay, so you can visibly see the fair value gap there, and we have the 50% level of the fair value gap. Have the 50%, and right here we have the other block. All right. So we have a zone here. Okay, we have a point here where the market rejected from. All right. And here we have, let's drop down to 30 minutes time frame. Okay, I want us to have a clear view of what happened there. All right, so we have a fair value gap, and then we also have this other block just right below it. Okay, but the market chose to reverse from the fair value gap. So what I think is going to happen here is, I think this market is going to drop down again. Okay, and then this area is going to be used as the inducement area. Okay. So the market is going to create an inducement from here. Let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. All right. So after inducing this level, it's going to come into the 50% of this fair value gap and then continue to go bullish. Okay. So this is the analysis on USD CAD. Okay. So this is an analysis from last week. Um, I think we took this trade twice. So we took it from here for the first time, and then our first take profit was around here. We made profit, and then the second time we entered from this point when the market made this retest. Then we took profit when it was close to our trend line here, right? And since then the market um, is still bullish. Okay, the market is still trading bullish. So if you want to learn how to analyze the market this way, just fund your account with at least $200. Okay, so that way you have a one-on-one live uh, trading session with me. All right, and then I'll be able to teach you, guide you, on how to go about this, how to analyze the market properly, how to get a good entry opportunities. Right. So guys, fund your account. Click on that banner, deposit, where deposit benefits is written on. Right, it will take you to the deposit page. When you get to the deposit page, if you deposit $10 will get you into the premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit $15 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And if you deposit up to $200 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And then you also get a one-on-one live trading session. All right. Okay, so we have limited time here. Let's quickly analyze XAU USD. Okay, we haven't touched the XAU USD today, So let's quickly analyze this and see what's going on. So you see, yesterday I had this analysis on, and the market is still respecting both sides. Okay. So first I said the market was going to drop from this level. The market did drop from the level. Okay, the market did drop from this level. Came down here. Right. Made another pullback to the level for the second time. Okay. So this is the 50% of. Okay, let's go to the higher time frame. Okay, so this is where we got the 50% entry from, right? And as you can see now, though the market didn't touch the 50% level, okay, it didn't get to this point. Okay, then this we have just about few pips. Right, just about 5 to 10 pips to the 50%. Then the market reversed. So this is my entry. This was my okay. So this is my take profit zone. Right, this is my take profit zone. So on the higher time frame of XAUUSD, okay, on the higher time frame of XAUUSD, the market is dropping down, okay, which means the market is selling, right? So we expect the market to keep selling from this point. And as you can see here, we have multiple areas where the market had previously rejected. So we have this one, and then we have this. Right, and from here we also have a good liquidity purge. Okay, so this is my point of interest, right? This is my point of interest level. Right? So this is my point of interest zone. For me, I believe the market is still going to drop down. Okay, I believe this market is still going to drop down. So this is my point of interest. My stop loss will just be right there, and my take profit will be on this level. Okay, but I am predicting that the market will go down further. Uh, right? But we still need to be careful. We don't want our take profit to be on the level at the same, other block level. So if you do that, the market uh, may just not, might not even get to the other block and then start to reverse. And then maybe you're not even aware that the market has rejected the level, hoping to make profit. And then the next thing is you check your trade and you run into loss. So that is why if you are setting your take profit level, make sure it's above the other block, okay? Not on the other block or below the other block. So make sure it's above the other block. So this level is fine. So this is the analysis for XAU gold. Right? And it's almost at the other block zone. So we don't have much more time here, but okay, let's go to the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so on the 5 minutes time frame, you see it's close to the level, but we are almost out of time. So I don't think we can stop this. We can't wait for the confirmation here. Okay. But guys, just stay active. When I get a good signal for this, uh, I'll be sharing it out. Okay. So That is the analysis for XAU USD. So I'm just waiting for confirmation now. I'm waiting for the market to get into the order block here. And once I get a good rejection or reversal candle formation, I'm going to place a sell order. Right? I'm going to open a sell position. Right. So this is our entry point. This is our exit point. Okay, guys. So that will be all for today live trading session. Join me again tomorrow, same time. Let's analyze the markets together and look for entry opportunities. Okay. And guys, remember to fund your account. All right, so you'll be qualified to join my premium group. All right. So just click on the banner where deposit with benefit is written on. It will take you to the deposit page. Okay. When you get to the deposit page, if you deposit $10 will get you into my premium group for 2 weeks. $15 will get you into the premium group for 1 month, and $200 will get you into my premium group for 1 month. And then you also get a one-on-one live trading session with me. Okay. And please note, the money you are depositing into your account is going into your personal trading account. Okay. So you are not paying for what you get to enjoy. Right. So guys, I'll see you on our next live trading session. Enjoy the rest of your day and bye for now.